please, give me the gun. Calvin!
Hey, Calvin? Hey, buddy. It's not a toy, okay? Please put the gun down.
Calvin, give me the gun!
Hey, buddy. Please put the gun down.
Calvin,
It's not
give
a
me
toy.
the gun!
Put the gun down. Come on. Gunshot wound to the upper right chest. You did this.
I didn't do nothing.
It was your gun!
Prove it.
Let's go. We gotta take this dirtbag back to the station, get him processed. You all right?
No. I should have tackled the kid. Taking the bullet myself.
That's a no-win situation. Had you reacted differently, maybe the kid would have shot himself instead. You did the right thing.
Yeah, that wasn't enough.